Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a walkthrough tour of my newest listing right here at 735 Parkside Drive in Woodruff, South Carolina. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home has open floor plan. The kitchen is large with lots of cabinet and counter space, stainless steel appliances. There's a pantry closet as well. Upstairs, there's a huge owner suite with his and hers closets, an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, and a 5-foot shower. Outside, there's plenty of trees in the back for privacy. There's a park next to this neighborhood as well. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. Upstairs, you have a large owner suite with his and hers closets. One of them is a walk-in closet. There's an ensuite bathroom that has a 5-foot shower and double sinks. There are 3 additional large bedrooms upstairs as well, and also a large walk-in laundry room. Let's check it out. So outside, you have a spacious patio with trees in the back for privacy. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.